In our material 54th problem, the figure formed by the four lines 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 and 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square minus 28x minus 28y plus 49 is equal to 0 is. So here first you find out a plus b. A plus b, here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 3 in both equations. So a plus b is 6, that is not equal to 0. So we can conclude here it is either parallelogram or rhombus. Okay, see, and find out h times of f square minus g square plus a minus b into fc. So h is equal to here 10 by 2, that is 5, and f is here f is minus 28 by 2, that is minus 14 whole square, and g square means minus 28 by 2, that is minus 14 whole square, plus 3 minus 3 into minus 14 into minus 14. This is minus 14 whole square minus minus 14 whole square, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So 0 and anything is 0, 0 and anything is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. So it is diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other means it is rhombus. Next one. The lines of a parallelogram are given by 2x square minus 5xy plus 2y square is equal to 0 and 2x square minus 5xy plus 2y square plus 3x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0, and the equation of the diagonal not passing through origin. The equation of the diagonal not passing through origin is nothing but s dash minus s is equal to 0. This is you consider s dash, this is you consider s dash. So what is that? 3x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 only. So after subtraction from this one to this one, so these three terms will be remaining. So 3x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. That means if you take 3 common, x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is the answer for this question. Simple. Next question. The area of square formed by the lines 6x square minus 5xy minus 6y square is equal to 0 and 6x square minus 5xy minus 6y square plus x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 in square units. Okay, the area of square formed by the lines 6x square minus 5xy. So area formula already I gave. So what is the area? Modulus of c by 2 into root over h square minus ab. So mod c means here modulus of minus 1 by 2 times of h means minus 5 by 2 whole square minus a means 6, b means minus 6. So modulus of minus 1 by 2 into root over minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 6 into minus 6. So it gives 1 by 2 into 25 by 4 plus 36. So if you simplify 1 by 2 into, so 436 are 144 plus 25, that is 169 by 4. So this root 4 gives 2 only. So 2 get cancelled. Root 169 gives 13. So this answer becomes to 1 by 13. Next theorem is, if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines, then prove that first one h square is equal to ab, second one af square is equal to bg square, third one distance between them is 2 into root over g square minus ac by a into a plus b, or 2 times of f square minus bc by b into a plus b. Any one of these two formulas we can use to find the distance between the two parallel lines. First of all, if this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel lines, means so that in the two lines, so only constants are different and remaining x term y term should be same. Okay, if these are pair of parallel lines, then first condition h square is equal to ab, second condition af square is equal to bc square. This is the distance between those two parallel lines. So to prove this one, we are going to use a straight lines formula to find distance between two parallel lines. Okay, so first one, let the lines representation of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 or some lx plus my plus n1 is equal to 0, lx plus my plus n2 is equal to 0. So only constants are difference, remaining terms should be same for the parallel lines. Okay, so then this equation, entire equation can be can be equate to product of these two lines. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to lx plus my plus n1 into lx plus my plus n2. So this implies comparison. So coefficient of x square is here a. Here what, when you get the x square term, when you multiply lx to lx, that gives x square term. So x square coefficient becomes to L into L, that is L square is equal to A. And here y square coefficient is B. So when you get y square coefficient, this y term multiply to this y term. So y into y square. So that coefficient becomes to m into m square. So m square is equal to B. And when you get a c is here constant. When you get constant, this constant term multiply to this constant term, then you get a c is equal to n1 n2. Next, when you get a 2h, so when you equate a coefficients of xy, here coefficient of xy is 2h. When you get coefficient of xy, this x multiply to here y, and this y multiply to here x. Okay, so this from, if you multiply these two terms, so xy coefficient is lm. If you multiply these two terms, xy coefficient also here also lm. So 2 lmxy you may get, okay, by simplification. So lx, okay, lx my plus my lx means lmxy same. So that means, so this 2h is equal to 2 lm. So 2 get cancelled, so lm is equal to h. Okay, next one is when you get 2z, when you compare and you equate x coefficients, so x coefficient is 2z. When you get x coefficient, this x multiply to constant, then only you get x. If you multiply to this one, x square. If you multiply this term, xy term, so already completed. So if you multiply this term to constant, then you get a x term, and we have one more chance. So this x multiply to this one, then you get a x coefficient. So if you multiply these two, you get a ln2. If you multiply these two, ln1. So from these two terms, if you take L common, L of n1 plus n2. So that means L of n1 plus L2 becomes to 2z. And similarly, when you get 2f, if you compare, if you equate y coefficients here 2f, here y coefficient means this y term multiply to constant, and this y term multiply to constant. So here mn2, here mn1. So if you take m common, you have n1 plus n2. So m of n1 plus n2 is equal to 2f. Okay, now so both the equations we compared here. So you got these relations. So based on these relations, we have to prove these three conditions. First, we have to prove h square is equal to ab. So h square is equal to what you get here. H square is nothing but lm whole square, that is l square m square. So l square is equal to how much? A. M square is equal to how much? B. So l square m square is nothing but ab. So first one proved. Next, second one, af square is equal to bg square. Af square is equal to bg square means first we have to take af square. Okay, af square is nothing but a into f is equal to how much you got? So m times of n1 plus n2 by 2. So m times of n1 plus n2 by 2 whole square, that is am square into n1 plus n2 whole square by 4. Now to get in terms of g, this n1 plus n2 you write in terms of g. So n1 plus n2 is equal to 2z by l. So that one if you write, then you get in terms of g. So that means 2z by l. So that is nothing but here m square means b. So write m square is equal to b. And you write this 4 as m by 4. And this n1 plus n2 you can write as 2z by l. So whole square. So this is nothing but ab into 4g square by 4l square. So actually l square is nothing but a. Okay, so here l square and a get cancelled, and we have 4g square. Sorry, not, it is not 4, it is b. So after l square and a cancel, numerator bg square, this 4 get cancelled. So we have bg square. So f square is equal to bg square. Now go to third one, distance between the parallel lines. So distance between these two parallel lines according to straight lines. So distance between parallel lines is nothing but difference of constants by root over L square plus M square. That means n1 modulus of n1 minus n2 by n1 minus n2 by root over L square plus M square. So actually we don't have n1 and n1 minus n2. We have n1 plus n2. We have n1 and n2 you have. So use the algebraic form. So n modulus of n1 minus n2 is nothing but root over n1 plus n2 whole square minus 4n1 n2. So already I gave this formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So if you don't want to write this square, so you have to keep square root of n1 plus n2 whole square minus 4n1 n2. So n1 plus n2 is nothing but, actually here two possibilities are there. So n1 plus n2 which one you have to use, either in terms of g or in terms of f. So that's why you have two formulas. Okay, either any one of them you can use according to given conditions. If you know the g, so use this one. If you know f, you use this one. Okay, so if you both then you can use any one of them. Okay, so I am for n1 plus n2. If I use in terms of g, so you write 2g by l. So because of n1 plus n2 is equal to 2g by l whole square minus n1 n2 is equal to c 4c by, so a plus b. So these two roots, root x1 by root x2 is nothing but root x1 by x2. Directly you can use one root only. So otherwise this n1 plus n2 you can write as 2f. Sorry, it is not g, it is 2f. Because of n1 plus n2 you can write as 2f by m, 2f by m whole square minus the same n1 n2 is c only by a plus b. So first you simplify this one. This is 4g square by l square minus 4c by a plus b. So this l square is nothing but a, l square is equal to a. So substitute here 4g square by a minus 4c by a plus b. So a is LCM, 4g square minus 4ac by this a comes to total denominator, so a into a plus b. So if we take 4 common from the numerator, so that comes to 2 under root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 into root over g square minus ac by a into a plus b. This is the formula. Similarly, this 4f square by m square minus 4c by a plus b. M square is nothing but b. So 4f square by b minus 4c by a plus b. So if you take b LCM, so 4f square minus 4bc by, so b is comes to denominator. So b of a plus b. So if you take 4 from numerator, so root 4 is equal to, so 2 into root 4 f square minus bc by b into a plus b. So this is the second formula. Anyone you can use for this one. Okay, based on this one you take one question. So the distance between the parallel lines 9x square minus 6xy plus y square plus 18x minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0 is distance between the parallel lines. What is the formula? 2 into a, anyone you can use. I use it here 2 into root over g square minus ac by a into a plus b. So this is nothing but 2 into root over 9 square minus, because of g is equal to 18, 18 by 2g is equal to 18, g is equal to 18 by 2, 18 by 2 is 9 square. Okay, g square. So a means 9 and c means 8 by a into a plus b, 9 into 9 minus 9 plus y square coefficient b is 1. So 9 into 9 plus 1. So 86 minus 72 by 9 into 10. So 86 minus 72 is 9. 9 by 9 into 10. 9 9 get cancelled. So 2 by 2 into 1 by root 10. That is nothing but 2 by root 10. So this is the answer for this question.